Hello everyone! I am Darren Yagtuan from BSNTech CA3A. Today I will be presenting my fortified dish called the Iron and Zinc Power Green Bowl. The dish is vegan, gluten-free, and especially designed to increase the intake of iron and zinc, which are important micronutrients often lacking in restrictive diets. The nutrients being fortified in this dish are iron and zinc, which is carrots, cabbage, malunggay leaves, and sesame seeds. It includes, kung ato nini tatarambutan i-include dinihin maupaya panlawas, maupaya metabolism ngan good for the heart and also good for dietary. I also added lemon juice, which is rich in vitamin C. This helps improve the absorption of iron from plant-based sources. Napili ko ini nga dish which is more nutrients na, tapos ma-fortified pa ako in other vitamins to ensure na it dietary health mas healthier and dati nga dish. First step is, syempre, di rin makakalimtanan, proper hygiene, and also mag-sanitize in 30 seconds. Joy, para ensure nga wala yugaw at kamot. Push. And the next is lalain-lain kita in malunggay leaves, which is nalain ko na in the ansahan pala. And the next is to malunggay, kakalita tubig, pressure cooker, bago kita magteros, kakalitaan na ngan i-boil tayo into pressure cook niya into 20 minutes. Ngan after that, pwede na kita magluto, mix na ang natin mga ingredients. Dili mga ngalimutan, paghugas ang munggos para sure nga warayuga o aton lulutuon. So matapos na nahugasan and 100% naman na sure nga malimpyo na, i-pressure cook na natin niya in 20 minutes para maghumo ka niya munggos. Matapos ta i-pressure ko kan munggo until it's soft, gigisalot kita in sibuyas. Siyempre, ano naon? Asite. Ayay. Asite anay. Olive oil kita para healthy. Olive oil. The next is adina, ang munggo. Bubutang ta. Pwede naman yung nagamitin sa sabaw kay ginlimpian tayo ni bago ta i-pressure. Siyempre mix. Salt. Pinch of salt. Tapos 5 minutes na pag pinakaladkad, ibubutang tanaan. Cabbage with carrots. Lastly, na ibubutang na healthy ingredients is malunggay leaves. Alam mo na yan.
So, yung magmamagandang pagbihat.
Pinaka last nga healthier Nga sa nakakabuli gaton maupay na panlawas. Also, lemon juice.